we had completed the concept of multiple linear regression in detail. Okay, so today we will go to the next beautiful point, that is classification. So under classification, so many algorithms, so that is coming, that we will study one by one. So from the beginning, already I have told, I have given the clarity. Classification meant for categorical value. Classification meant for categorical value. Yes or no, zero or one. Basically, in machine learning context, machine or model understand only zero and one. So many algorithms coming under classification. So first algorithm that we will study, that is logistic regression. Many people think regression word that have used, so it is coming under regression. No, this algorithm coming under classification. So we will study. So first of all, what is logistic regression? If I will go through Google logistic regression, so there is a one tutorial site, good tutorial site, DataCamp. Just to see one point it have written. Logistic regression is one of the most simple and commonly used machine learning algorithms for two-class classification. It is easy to implement and can be used as the baseline for any binary classification problem. Binary classification means 0 or 1. So the proper definition is this. Logistic regression is a statistical method for predicting binary classes. The outcome or target variable is dichotomous in nature. So what is the meaning of dichotomous? Dichotomous means there are only two possible classes. For example, it can be used for cancer detection problems. It computes the probability of an event occurrence. So that means what? Binary classification means 0 or 1. We will predict the candidate having cancer or not, candidate having diabetes or not. So diabetes detection, cancer detection, car purchase, candidate able to purchase a car or not. So if this type of scenario, this type of problem task coming to our picture, so then we will consider classification. Then so many algorithms coming under this classification concept. So any one algorithm we will implement. So these are the theoretical concepts. So linear versus logistic regression. So linear regression graph is a straight line or best fit line, but this is a sinusoidal wave, but range is 0 to 1 within 0. So the target variable or outcome or y because independent variable is uppercase, target variable or dependent variable is lowercase y. But the value of y, just to see this graph, lies in between 0 to 1. So this is called as a dichotomous in nature. Okay, so I hope everybody got clarity. So logistic regression is one of the supervised machine learning coming under classification. So specifically used, okay, or it establish a statistical model which provides a binary classification 0 or 1, and this plot, this graph representing the concept of logistic regression. So everybody got clarity? Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to our problem task. So we will go to our problem task. First of all, I have a data set car.csv file. So first of all, I will go through data set. So car.csv file. So in machine learning, so any problem task is given. First point is data set is given. So it is a data set. So my data set file name is car.csv file. So this is the first classification algorithm. So in my data set, so there are four, 5 column. So last column is my output variable or target variable, purchase column. 0 means the candidate is not able to purchase. 1 means the candidate is able to purchase. So already this data set is given. Age, this income not able. This 25 age candidate may be male or may be female. So that's why one column that I specified gender. So this age, this income, and then not able. So already this outcome variable or target variable output scenario that is given. But what we will do what? Now we will create a logistic regression model. Then logistic regression model, suppose predicting what? Suppose 19 age candidate income is 19,000 in data set, so that is indicated not able to purchase. We will see we will create a logistic regression model, and we will give the input value 19 age and income is 19,000. So what the model is predicting? So this prediction, this is the output, this is the prediction. So purchase value and what the model is predicting the value. So we will compare how far it is accurate and how much accuracy score is coming to our picture. Clear? First of all, a problem task is given. So we have to analyze, we have to understand what the problem task is given, what we have to do. So our task is we will create a logistic regression model. So that logistic regression model will predict whether a candidate is able to purchase car or not. So this is our overall purpose or overall objective. Give a response. Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Need to explain import library, then create a data frame. So now I create a data frame. My data frame name is df. Now we will go to the next point. We will choose x and y explicitly. Now the time came. So we will choose x means independent variable and y means a dependent variable. Definitely y is the purchase column, no doubt. Suppose age column value. Nowadays, male, female, there is no difference. Male is driving the car. Nowadays, female is also driving the car. When you will get a job and you will get handsome salary, then definitely you will drive a or you will purchase a car. There is no problem. But basically, what we are thinking, the value of age and the value of income. So that is most important because suppose a 99 years of old, so suppose he is a man of crore, but definitely he will not take the interest to bring a new car, whatever the new car is coming to the market. Are you understanding? So which column, which column values that you will consider as an independent variable that is depend upon you, that is depend upon your analysis. Okay, so now this is zeroth index column. This is one index column. Age is two index column. Income is three index column. Purchase is four index column. Just to see, this is a pandas concept. What I have written. So x equals to this part. Interview question. So one I lock a new concept, new terminology. Now you what so, and this is a pandas concept. Pandas. So within ilock method, within ilocks, within square bracket, what I have written colon. Colon means you remember all records. Then comma 2, 3. 2, 3 within the list I have written. If one column if you will write, then singly two you can write. But I have written 2, 3. That means two index column, three index column, all records, two index and three index. So age is the two index column, income is three index column. Their record, that means 19,000, 25, 20,000, 26, 43,000. The record, two index, three index column, record, all record. Column means all record. Dot values means their values considering as x. Clear? Concept is clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
similarly, y equals to df dot ilook. ମନେ ପକାଅ ମୁଁ ପାଣ୍ଡାସରେ କହିଥିଲି maybe question ଆସିବ ଆଗକୁ ମଝିରେ. Suppose one data set or data frame is given, just how I will access a particular column values, how I will access more than one column from a data frame. So this is the approach. Similarly, I have written df.ilock colon comma 4. Colon means all record, 4 means four index value. Four index value, that is purchase. So this value is the y dot values. So, so explicitly, so I have chosen, I specified which column values I considered as uppercase X and which column values I considered as Y. Y value always one column value. Always you remember. Since it is a classification, so 0 or 1 definitely target variable value. Then we will go to the next one. Next point is very important and it is very common, and we will use this concept in every classification algorithm. Next concept, next point or next step, The concept is saying, the concept told the entire data set means our data frame DF, we will split into training and testing data set. The entire data frame we we will split into training and testing data frame. So guys, ତମେ ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ଭାତ ରୋଷେଇ କରିଛ? ଭାତ ଆରେ ତମେ ମାନେ ସବୁ କିଏ ଭାତ ରୋଷେଇ କରିଛ?
Yes, sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, କଣ କେହି କାହାର ପାଟି ଫିଟୁନି? 5 ମିନିଟ ପରେ ଜଣେ ପକଉଛି yes sir, ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ଦଉନ ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ କାହିଁ ପଢେଇବି ଆଉ? କେହି ଗୋଟେ ଭାତ ରୋଷେଇ କରିନ କହୁଛି, ତମେ 5 ମିନିଟ ପରେ ତମ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ହଉଛି। ମାନେ ଦେଖିବ ଭାତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ କେମିତି କରୁଛ, ହାଣ୍ଡିରେ ବସଉଛ ଚାଉଳ ପକେଇକିରି, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭାତଟା ଫୁଟୁଛି ବା ମାନେ ହବା ହବା ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ତମେ ଜାଣୁଛ କେମିତି? ତମେ ସେ ଭାତରୁ 4ଟି 5ଟି ଚାଉଳକୁ ଆଣିକିରି ମାନେ ଭାତକୁ ଆଣି ଚିପିକିରି ଦେଖୁଛ ଯେ ଭାତ ହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ, ନା ସବୁ ଚାଉଳ ଭାତକୁ ଚିପୁଛ? 4-5ଟା ଭାତକୁ ଆଣି ଦେଖୁଛ, ମାନେ 4-5ଟା ଭାତକୁ ଯୋଉ ଆଣିକିରି ଚିପିକି ଦେଖୁଛ ଯେ ଭାତ ହେଇଗଲା, ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ଦବା ବା ଗାଳି ଦବା, ତ ସେ ଯୋଉ 4-5ଟା ଭାତକୁ ଯୋଉ ଆଣି ଦେଖିକିରି ମାନେ ଭାବୁଛ ଯେ ଭାତ ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଲି, ସେ 4-5ଟା ଭାତ ହେଲା ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଡେଟା। 4-5ଟି ଭାତ ହେଲା ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଡେଟା। ଭାତ ଅଲ୍ ମାନେ ହୋଲ ଭାତ ହେଲା ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଡେଟା। ତାମାନେ ସେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଡେଟାରୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଭାତ ଆଣିକିରି ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି, ଯେତିକି ଭାତ ଆଣି ମୁଁ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ସେଟା ହେଲା ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଡେଟା। So I hope everybody got clarity what is a training data and what is a testing data. All data in a data frame, training data, ତା ଦେହରୁ ଆମେ ସ୍ପେସିଫାଇ କରିବା 10%। ତମେ କଣ ଭାତ ଯଦି ଚିପୁଛ, 4-5ଟା ଭାତ ଚିପୁଛ ନା, ଆଉ 10% କି 5% ଏଟା ଦେଖୁଛ ନା, କଣ 50% ଭାତ ଆଣିକି ଚିପୁଛ କି? ତେଣୁ 10% or 20% or 30% maximum we will consider as a testing data. So as per the concept is saying the overall data frame will split into training and testing data. And how I will split? For this, there is a module that we have to import, and that module name is train test split. Train underscore test underscore split. This module that we will import, this module we will import from this module coming from say sklearn dot model underscore selection. ସବୁ ସେଇ sklearn ଭିତରେ ହିଁ ଆସୁଛି। model underscore selection ହେଲା sub module, ତା ଭିତରେ ଅଛି train test split। So for splitting our data frame into training and testing data, I am importing train test split module. This train test split module coming from sklearn.model underscore selection. The next point, a train test split module ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ built-in function ଅଛି, ତାର ନାଁ ବି train test split function। ଯେମିତି ପାଇଥନ ରେ time module ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ function ଅଛି time function, we are getting the current time, that is time dot time function. Similarly, so inside the train test split module there is a built-in function named as a train test split function। train test split function ये गोटे एमितिया फंक्शन, तेरे कौन निये आर्गुमेंट, कौन निये आर्गुमेंट निये मैंडेटरी आर्गुमेंट, तीनोटी जिनस नबो, गोटे x, गोटे y, गोटे टेस्ट साइज। ये तीनोटी आर्गुमेंट है मैंडेटरी। x means हमें ऑलरेडी डिसाइड करिचे which column values, that is x, which column value, that is y. So independent variable comma dependent variable comma test size equals to 0.25, that means 25% data we have considered as testing data. Then ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ parameter ଅଛି but ତିନୋଟି mandatory. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ argument ଅଛି random state equals to any int value. Random state ଗୋଟେ argument ଗୋଟେ, but this is optional. The particular ଗୋଟେ int value ଏ 0 ଜାଗାରେ ତମେ 10 କି 15 ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡେ, ସେମିତି develop ହେଇଛି. Accordingly, that the function train test split have developed in that way. Here, so when train test split function is invoking, then it is returning 4 numpy array, that is x train, x test, y train, y test. ट्रेनिंग डाटा को x को से दी भाग रे करतला x train x test, y की दी भाग रे कर देची y train y test. चारिटा अरे गाइस 1 मिनट हां देख कोन दो अच्छा हां कर दो हां कर दो ବୁଝିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଦି 12 ରେ କଲ୍ କରିବେ, ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନଉଛି, ବୁଝିଗଲି ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ସବ୍ କେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ପକେଇ ଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ। मन रख train test split is a built-in function. When it is invoking, it is returning 4 arrays: x train x test, y train y test. ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା x train ର value कोन, x test ର value कोन, जो मो टेस्टिंग डाटा कहउतली that is x test. ଆମେ जो चारिटा भात को नै कि चिपी कि देखुछु भात हैला कि नाही, that is x test. तो आमे जो मॉडल क्रिएट करिबा तले मॉडल x टेस्ट रो डाटा को प्रेडिक्ट कर, ठीक अछि। तो आमे को रन करिवे, ओके तमे जे लिखि परिबो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x train, x train रो वैल्यू तमे चाहि देखि परिबो, x टेस्ट रो देखि परिबो, प्रिंट x train इगल x train रो वैल्यू, एतिगल x टेस्ट रो वैल्यू, y train रो भी y टेस्ट रो वैल्यू पाई परिबो, एटी y train y टेस्ट रो वैल्यू पाई परिबो, y train केते print y train, y train एतिगल y train और एतिगल y test. तो माने y test already given, but model prediction x test को नेकरी कोन दोछ, प्रेडिक्शन वैल्यू और y टेस्ट वैल्यू यदि समान रहिला ताहले हमर एक्यूरेसी आसिला जे 100% एक्यूरेट, कारण y टेस्ट वैल्यू ऑलरेडी गिवन, मॉडल हमें क्रिएट करिबा, तापर मॉडल प्रेडिक्शन करिवो का ऊपर ना टेस्टिंग डाटा ऊपर, दैट इज x, कारण x टा होचे हमर इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, तो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल रे जोरा टेस्टिंग डाटा दैट इज x टेस्ट. गिव ए रिस्पांस.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I hope till now this point everybody got that. तापरे पार्ट करिछि गोटे पॉइंट गोटे जानि सुनि करिछि, एटा आर आवश्यकता किछि नाही, मु खाली टिके एडिशनल जिंस करिछि माने इंटरव्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पाई, बट इन फ्यूचर तमे तो एतिकी डाटा नै केबे काम करिवो नै, कंपनी रे काम करले लक्षाधिक डाटा को नै काम करिवो. एठी मु कोन करिछि, जेहेतु हमर इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल की x, तो x लोक लगे कि दुईटी आरे, गोटे हला x ट्रेन आ गोटे हला x टेस्ट, कारण हमर ताकू नै कि काम करियो मॉडल ना, ऑलरेडी y टा अछि कि y रे चेक करियो. तेनो समटाइम्स जो डेटा फ्रेम रे जो डेटा अछि, मॉडल से डाटा को नै प्रोसेस करे प्रॉपर प्रोसेस करि पारे नाही सपोज ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଗାଡି କିଣିଛି very costly ଗାଡିଟା ସେ ଗାଡିର ଫିଚର ହଉଛି ପୁରା ଭଲ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ପୁରା ପାଇମ୍ ପାଇମ୍ ଉଡିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗାଁ ରାସ୍ତା ଯୋଉ ଖାଲ ଢିପ ପଇଲେ ସେ ପୁରା ଇଏ ହବ ପରେ ମାନେ ଅ, ଭଲସେ ଚାଲି ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ତା ମାନେ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ପଲିସି କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ପଲିସି କଲେ ଯାଇ ସେ ଗାଡିଟା ଭଲ ଚାଲିବ ତେଣୁ ରାସ୍ତା ପଲିସି ଇଜ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ point। ତମେ କେବେ ଦେଖିଛ ଘର ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟର ହବା ଯୋଉ କୋଠା ଘର ଯୋଉ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟର କରନ୍ତି ମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କେବେ ଦେଖିଛ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ହଁ
sir.
ଯୋଉ ଚଟାଣ ଦେଖିଛ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦେଖିବ ଥରେ ଥରେ ଦେଖିବ ମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟର କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ହାତ ମାରିବ ଭଲସେ ପଲିସି ହେଇନଥିବ ଟିକେ ଆଞ୍ଚୁ ଆଞ୍ଚୁ ଟିକେ ଲାଗୁଥିବ ସେଠି କଣ ହୁଏ ନା ପୁଣି ମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କଣ କରେ ନା ଗୋଟେ ରସ ଢାଳି ଦିଏ ପୁରା ପଲିସ ହେଇଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରସ ଯୋଉ ଢାଳି ଦିଏ ଆମେ ପୁରା ପଲିସ ହେଇଯାଏ ତାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତି ସ୍କେଲିଂ ମନେ ରଖ ଗୋଟେ ଟର୍ମ ସ୍କେଲ କରେ ତ ସ୍କେଲିଂ ତ ସେମିତିଆ ଗୋଟେ କନସେପ୍ଟ ପୁରା ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି ଏଇଟା ଅଛି ଏଠି ବି ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ସ୍କେଲିଂ ସେ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଏଠି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ କହିଦଉଛି ମିଡିଲ ରେ ପଡିବ ସେ କାମ ତ ଯୋଉଠି ଦରକାର ପଡିବ ଦେଖିବ ଯୋଉଠି ଡାଟାକୁ ମଡେଲ ଆମର ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ କରିବ ଭଲ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଦେଇପାରୁନଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ସନ ଟିକେ ଭୁଲ ଆସୁଥିବ କି ଆକୁରାସି ଭଲ ଆସୁନଥିବ ତାମାନେ ସେ ଡାଟାକୁ ଭଲସେ ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରେଟ କରିପାରୁନି କି ଡାଟା ଗୋଟେ ପଲିସି ଦରକାର ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଗାଡିଟେ ଆଣିଛି ଇଏ ଗାଡିଟା ହଉଛି ଟିକେ ହାଇଫାଇ ଗାଡି ଭଲ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଚାଲିବ ଖରାପ ଚାଲିବନି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ଗାଁର ରାସ୍ତା ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁକୁ ଯାଇଛି ଆବଡା ଖାବଡା ହେଇଯାଇଛି କଣ କରିବ ନା ରାସ୍ତା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲେନ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତ ଥରେ ଥରେ କଣ ହୁଏ ନା ଡାଟାକୁ ମଡେଲ ଭଲ ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ସନ ଦିଏ ନାହିଁ ସେଠି କଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ନା ଡାଟାକୁ ସ୍କେଲିଂ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ମନେ ରଖ ସ୍କେଲିଂ ଇଜ ୱାନ ଅପରେସନ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କାହାକୁ ସ୍କେଲିଂ କରିବୁ ନା ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଭେରିଏବଲ ଡାଟାକୁ ଏକ୍ସ ଡାଟାକୁ ଏକ୍ସ ଡାଟା ଏଠି କିଏ ନା ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସଟେଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲିୟର କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇଜ କ୍ଲିୟର concept is clear give a response
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
ତାହେଲେ କେମିତି ସ୍କେଲିଂ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ 0 to 5 years ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ତେବେ ଯୋଉଟା କି x ଆଉ y ଯୋଉ ଚୁଜ କଲି ଯୋଉ ୱେରେ ସେଇଟା ବି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ହାଉ ଟୁ ପରଫର୍ମ ସ୍କେଲିଂ ଅପରେସନ ତା ପାଇଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କଣ କଲି ନା ଗୋଟେ ବିଲ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ ମୁଁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟ କଲି if my requirement is to perform scaling operation for that there is a built-in class the class name is a standard scalar so this built-in class we imported and that class coming from sklearn dot preprocessing ସବୁ sklearn ଭିତରୁ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ କହିଥିଲି ପୁରା without sklearn machine learning is meaningless ତ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ସ୍କେଲର ର କ୍ଲାସ ଟା କାହିଁକି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟ କଲି ନା ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ସ୍କେଲର କ୍ଲାସ ଭିତରେ ଦୁଇଟି ବିଲ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଫିଟ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରସ୍କୋର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଫିଟ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରସ୍କୋର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରେନ୍ କୁ ପଲିସି କରିବ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଏକ୍ସ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କୁ ପଲିସି କରିବ ସ୍କେଲ କରିବ ତେଣୁ ଯେହେତୁ ଏ ଦୁଇଟି ଫଙ୍କସନ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ସ୍କେଲର କ୍ଲାସ ଭିତରୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଏ ଦୁଇଟି ଫଙ୍କସନ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ ସ୍କେଲର ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୱାରା କଲ୍ ହେବେ କାରଣ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ ଯୋଉ ବିଲ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲାସ ରୁ ଆସିଥାଏ ସେଇ ବିଲ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ ସେଇ କ୍ଲାସ ର ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୱାରା କଲ୍ ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କ୍ଲାସ ଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟ କଲି ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କଲି object name we know that how noise coming we know that how I will declare an object name equals to class name parenthesis obj is the object ତାହେଲେ extrain କୁ ମୁଁ policy କଲି by invoking fit underscore transform function y xtest କୁ policy କଲି ବା scale କଲି transform function ରଖିବ you remember when fit underscore transform function is invoking, xtrain is scaling, and there is a built-in function named as a transform function. When it is invoking by standard scalar object, then xtest is scaling. Please, noise is coming, mute your noise. କାହାର ଗୋଟେ noise ଆସୁଛି, ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପାଟି ଶୁଭୁଛି, ଟିକେ mute କରିଦିଅ. So now I will hit run. ହେଇଗଲା? ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମର ଟାର୍ଗେଟ ହଉଛି ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଡାଟା, କାରଣ ମଡେଲ ତାରି ଉପରେ ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ଟ କରିବ. So now what is the value of x test? Just to see, before scaling x test rate ହେଲା yes 2784,000. r ମାନେ ଯାହା, r ମାନେ ସେଇଆ. 27 ର ମାନେ ହେଇଛି ଏଇଟା, scaling after scaling এইটা ଲେଖିବ ମାନେ ତାର ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲି ସେ ବୁଝିବ 27h. এই ভ্যালুটা লেখা আছে, এই ভ্যালুটা লিখিও মানে বুঝিও মানে সে বুঝদব হচ্ছে 84,000. ক্লিয়ার? বিফোর স্কেলিং দিস এক্স টেস্ট ডাটা, আফটার স্কেলিং এক্স টেস্ট ডাটা. আফটার স্কেলিং তো এতিকি হেলা ডাটা প্রি প্রসেসিং. বিফোর ক্রিয়েশন অফ মডেল, whatever we are doing anything, so that is called as a data pre-processing. Give a response.
Yes,
Hope
sir.
everybody got it.
Yes, sir.
Now I will create a logistic regression model. So in which way that linear regression model that we had created, same way we will create the logistic regression model. So logistic regression is nothing but an inbuilt class. So linear regression जो आसला, logistic regression में सेठू आसी from sklearn.linear underscore model, sklearn.preprocessing, sklearn.model underscore selection. So sklearn.something input here. Now, how far sklearn is important for machine learning? So here logistic regression is nothing but an inbuilt class. So anyhow, we will declare an object of linear logistic regression, that logistic regression object representing the logistic regression model. So now object name is model. So now on the name of the object is model. So when we declared logistic regression object, then that logistic regression object represented our logistic regression model. Then we know that after creation of the model, we trained the model. So here trained, same concept, model dot fit function. So you remember, train the model, what we are taking argument, x train, y train. Okay, x train training data and y train. So by taking the values of x train and y train, if you are, but your algorithm is going through in this way by splitting the testing training, splitting your data frame into training and testing data. So when you are creating the model, after creating the model, when you are training the model, so you are invoking fit function taking two things, one is x train and y train. So once the model is becoming fit, this is the output. So if there is no error, only logistic regression came. So when the output only logistic regression came, now we will sure the model became intelligent. So after model becoming intelligent, the model will predict. So model dot predict function, already I have told, model will predict by taking the testing data. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଚାରିଟା ଭାତକୁ ନେଇକିରି, ତ ଏଠି testing data ହଉଛି 25%. All data are training data. Then out of all training data, 25% data that already we have considered as testing data. So whatever the model will predict, that predicted value, let I will assign in a output variable, let y prediction. So this is my output variable. So whatever model will predict the value by taking testing data, so what the value will generate, that value will assign in y prediction. There is a, let it is my output variable. So what is the value of y prediction? Whether you write y prediction, otherwise you write print y prediction. So now I will hit run. So this is, I got this. So this output is model prediction. This output 40, that means 40 that I have got against this 27, the candidate having age is 27, having income 84,000, then the candidate is not able to purchase the car. 40 means 4 candidate having not able to purchase car. Then 26 age, income 25,000, not able to purchase the car. 19 age and 76,000 income, not able to purchase the car. 26 age and 80,000, not able to purchase the car. So what the model predicted and what is the value of a y test, because y test value is given, that value that we have got by invoking trend tested function. So we will compare. Okay, just to see y test value 40 means ଯାହା y test ଅଛି model ସେୟା predict କରିବ। ଆମେ accuracy ମାପିବା, so accuracy ମାପିବା ପାଇଁ ତ ଗୋଟେ function ଅଛି accuracy underscore score, so that I imported from sklearn.matrix. So accuracy score ମାପିଲି, ଭିତରେ pass କଲି y test and y prediction। y test କଣ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ y prediction ମାନେ model କୋଉ value prediction ତାକୁ ନେଇ compare କର, ବାହାରିଲା 1.0, that means 100%, ମାନେ 100% accurate। Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is accuracy score? Accuracy score is a built-in function and ତମେ ଗୋଟେ Honda method ରେ ମନେ ରଖିବ, accuracy score ଭିତରେ କଣ argument pass ହଉଛି ନା y test ର value, y prediction ର value। predict function କାହାକୁ ନେଇ କରୁଛି ନା x test କୁ data ନେଇ କରୁଛି। fit function କାହାକୁ ନେଇ କରୁଛି ନା x train y train କୁ ନେଇ କରୁଛି। ଏଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ୟୁଜ ହବ। fit function ଭିତରେ pass ହବ x train y train, model predict କରିବ x test କୁ ନେଇକିରି, accuracy ମାପିବା ଆମେ y test ଆଉ y prediction ର value କୁ ନେଇକି। So this is all about logistic regression. I hope everybody got clarity, give a response and you do the practice. So this is an example, or you can say it is a small project example, car purchase prediction using logistic regression. The problem test name is car purchase prediction. So data is given and our objective is, so the model we will create a logistic regression model, and the logistic regression model is able to predict whether the candidate is able to purchase car or not. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,